Today I'll walk you through how to increase the inner bar space of a clustered column chart in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to adjust the spacing in your charts so you can create more visually appealing reports. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is your workspace where all the magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you're new. Next, select your chart. Click on the clustered column chart visual on your report canvas. This is the chart type that allows you to compare multiple categories side by side, and it's essential for visualizing your data effectively. Now, let's open the Format pane. On the right-hand side, go to the Visualizations pane and click on the Format Your Visual icon, which looks like a paintbrush. Think of this pane as your toolbox for customizing the look and feel of your chart. It's where you can make your data stand out. Once you're in the Format pane, navigate to the Columns section. Under the Visual tab, expand the Columns card. This is where you'll find options specifically related to the columns in your chart. Next, locate the Spacing section. Scroll down and expand the Spacing card. Here, you'll find the controls that allow you to adjust how closely or widely your bars are spaced apart. Now, let's adjust the slider. To increase the space between columns, drag the inner padding slider to the right. This increases the percentage or pixel value, making the empty space wider and the bars themselves thinner. Conversely, if you want to decrease the space, simply drag the slider to the left, closer to 0%. This will make your bars thicker with less space in between. It's all about finding the right balance for your data presentation. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps remain the same. Power BI updates its interface occasionally, but the core functionalities are consistent. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the inner bar space of your clustered column chart in Power BI. This simple tweak can significantly enhance the readability and aesthetics of your reports. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.